A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Positioning the plates. Find some open wall space where you can fit a few plates. Look through your dining room, bedroom, or other living space where you can fit some plates on the wall. You can use any kind of open wall space for this, whether it's above a door directly above a sofa. Use whatever decisions you have on hand. You can make a simple, minimalist statement with just one hanging plate, or you can hang up a collection of decorative plates to create a fun design scheme. For instance, you can display some fancy china on one wall in your dining room, or you can create a fun decorative accent over your bed. You can alternate different plate patterns on the wall, like a large plate with a fun rim and a small plate with an intense pattern. Plate shape is also important to consider when you're displaying flatware. You can make a serving plate the centerpiece of your design with several smaller plates placed around it. Trace the plate on a sheet of craft paper. Flip your plate upside down so the curved portion is touching the craft paper. Lightly sketch around the edge of the plate with a pencil so you can get an idea of how much space it'll take up on the wall. Any kind of scrap paper can work for this, like printer or paper or newspaper. Cut out templates for all the plates you plan on hanging. Set the cut-out circle or oval aside, then trace and cut out a template for your other plates as well. Repeat this process for all the flatware that you'd like to hang up in your living space. Tape the template on your wall. Find a spot on your wall where you'd like your plate to go, then secure it in place with painter's tape. Arrange the other plate templates along your wall, using painter's tape to hold these in place as well. Templates help you figure out where your plates will go before you actually hang them up. Rearrange your taped templates until you've decided on a place to put them. Take a few steps back and examine your handiwork. Check if the plate templates seem centered or if they need to be moved around a bit. Space your plates 2 to 3 and 5.1 to 7.6 cm apart so your design looks really cohesive and uniform. For instance, you can position your plates in a diamond shape if you have a lot of space. Alternate different plate shapes and sizes to give your display a more unique look. For instance, you can use an oval-shaped serving plate as your centerpiece, then arrange small circular plates around it. Securing the plates to the wall. Attach a nail or hook to your wall that lines up with the center of the plate. Examine the paper plate template on your wall to get an idea of where the nail or hook should go. Remove the template and place your hook or nail where the upper middle section of the plate would be. You don't want the hook or nail to be visible behind the plate after you hang it up. Use an adhesive plate hanger to make your plate look like it's floating. Create a seamless design with an adhesive plate hanger which looks like a circular piece of yellow paper. Dip your fingers into some lukewarm water and rub the back of the hanger to get it sticky. Then center the adhesive hanger on your plate with the metal loop straight up. Rub your fingers along the back of the adhesive for several seconds so it stays on the plate. Once the adhesive is in place, Dangle the metal loop over a nail or adhesive hook. Adhesive plate hangers look like a large circle attached to a metal loop. You can find them online. Invest in spring-style hangers as a sleek way to display your plates. Go for an elegant display with a spring-style hanger which holds your plate in place with springs and hooks. Place the spring hanger on the table with the hooks facing up. Hold the plate face up and slide it beneath the top two hooks. Secure the bottom of the plate along the bottom two hooks. At this point, place the hanger on a hook so your plate can be on full display. You can find spring-style hangers online. The hooks are easy to adjust after you've secured them around the top and bottom edge of your plate. Hang your plates with hot glue and safety pins as a budget option. Grab a closed safety pin and arrange it along the back, bottom portion of your plate. Hot glue the thicker end of the safety pin to the top of your plate, then place the circular part of the pin over a hook or nail on the wall. Double check that the glue is completely dry and that the safety pin is sturdy, or else your plate may shift and fall. This is a good solution if you don't have any other plate hanger on hand, but you may not want to use it with your finest china and flatware.